Okay, everybody. Unfortunately, I have been going back and forth with our wonderful IT department, and I've come to the conclusion that it may be quicker to do a workaround instead of using your education emails. So, what this is going to do is it's going to allow you to use your personal email instead of your school email. So, how you're going to do this, you're going to go to Try Onshape Professional. And Really, either one of these options are going to work for you because you are a student. You're going to need to prove that you are a student. But if you are if you want to click free student plan, they're going to go through. You fill this out, very similar to how you did before. If that doesn't work, go ahead and just try the public setting. You're just going to hit request trial and fill this out, and you should be able to get an account. I've had about 25 students already get through this. I am hoping that this will eliminate some of the confusion. I'm trying to make this as easy as possible for you guys, so I apologize. If you have questions, feel free to email me. Miss seeing you guys and hope you are all doing well. Have a great day. Go Dolphins. Draft it.